Me, wake up. It's morning.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Mimi. Did you sleep well?
I slept well. I feel good.
Make your bed, Mimi. Good job.
Yes, Mom, I'm doing it.
That's right, honey. Keep up the good work. Good girl. Your room looks nice.
Mimi, are you ready? Not yet. I'm brushing my teeth.
Okay, brush slowly.
I'm brushing slowly, Mom.
That's right, honey. Good job.
Good. Now wash your face. I'm washing it now.
Almost done, sweetie.
Thank you, Mom.
Do you want milk or tea today?
Milk, please.
Here you go.
Ah.
Drink slowly. We are eating eggs and toast.
I like eggs.
I'm glad. Good. Eat your breakfast. Do you have school today?
Yes, I have school.
What class do you have first?
I have English class.
Oh, nice. What are you learning?
We are learning daily conversation. Time to get ready for school. My books are all packed and I'm ready to go.
Did you pack your books?
Yes, I packed them.
Your homework?
Oh. What? Are you ready now? Yeah. Yes, I'm ready. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Bye.